Good morning. Hi.
Okay, do y'all see that thing right in front of me?
Oh god.
Is that a bird or a shark?
Yeah, I see it.
That's a bird.
That's a bird. It just blows and blows.
Yeah, I just saw the thing. I was like, is that a fish?
It's a dolphin.
What did we just see?
We saw dolphins. And it took us like 12 minutes to find this little stupid red buoy.
Yeah, there's a red buoy out there.
It took
and
you all
couldn't
12
find
minutes.
it.
It took me and Austin like 20 seconds.
Yeah.
I say we get that spot. I'm just sitting there all
I might
day.
have to sit under that shade.
Yeah, Austin, you need all the shade you can get.
Yeah.
With your SPF 100.
Hi, RJ.
Hi.
You guys think you can dive from right here?
Yes.
Try it.
Tour of the town.
It's the palm trees.
Just realized all of our videos have been about us. So we need to get like a feel of where we are. Whoa, braking. SB has a very bad problem of not watching the road. So
I was braking that time. I don't know what you're talking about.
the often occasions, I have to yell braking. Like for instance, SB,
What is happening?
on the way here, I was driving with my foot from this seat,
Okay, that
and SB
should be number one.
was sitting there, and at the same time, we didn't really know this happened, but we both looked away from the road, where we're both driving, and we're both not looking at the road. And so then I looked back, and SB hadn't looked back yet, and there was a lot of people braking in front of us, so I had to yell, braking! And then everything went flying. And that's probably in one of our previous videos, where the phone fell.
Yeah.
Isn't that right, SB?
I like your Jeep.
Hello. He was staring at you.
Alright. Maybe we should just, take a look around in every aisle.
Okay, walked down every aisle.
Yep.
Okay, guys, here's where we landed.
The baby aisle.
The baby aisle. Actually, someone's following us. Oh, God. Okay. Let's go look at the lobsters. There are lobsters over here. Oh, God, there's someone here. There's someone here. Darn.
No.
Abort. Abort. Oh, look at that. Hefty, hefty, hefty. You want big ones or small ones?
I think we should get
Uh-oh.
both.
I think she got my cough.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. Okay, big ones or small ones? Help
Okay.
us decide.
God, why is this so hard?
I don't know.
Okay, those are $6.
Why don't we get the 435? What's the difference between these and those? These are just little. God, I hate this. I think snacks are the other way. Are you kidding me? This is confusing.
Did it.
Okay, welcome to our crib. Let's walk in the door. We're 3 up 9. Oh, God. Okay, this is a little entryway. I can't see anything because my glasses are on. Oh. Kitchen.
The light. We haven't turned that on. We have already organized
Yep.
everything.
Yep, we already stocked up. Freezers. Fridge. We're good on the fridge, yeah. All the goodies.
Yeah, man.
Okay. And this is like the dining area. And then this is Austin's room / the living room. Austin is sleeping on the couch. That's his bed right there.
I don't know why he didn't pull it out.
He said that it was nice. Here's our television. The balcony.
Oh look, there's the boys. And Brooklyn and us. They're waving.
They're waving. Now you know who they are.
There's Austin, the last one.
Justin didn't even look at us.
Oh, Justin's right. I mean, Justin's great.
Hi, Justin.
Hey, I saw him. Look, oh, well.
Here's Lil. Hi. It's not the outside. Okay. This is the dude's
I
bathroom.
haven't even seen the
Dudes, it's pretty plain.
Okay.
This is the dude's room. Obviously looks like a dude's room.
What happened there?
I'm not sure. I think that's RJ's. No, that's RJ's. No, that's RJ's. I don't know. You know what? I don't know. Here's our bathroom. Very nice. All organized and cute. Hello. And then our room. Brooklyn's on the floor. That's my side. That's SB's side. And then we have our little balcony here. And then right over there's some windows. Windows.
All
Here's
right.
our
Beach
telly.
time?
Beach time.
Off to the beach we go. Oh my, it's chilly. Very, very chilly. It's like 66 degrees and the wind is like 12 miles per hour.
Right now it's like 9.
9 miles per hour.
Yeah. You gotta pierce my ear at some point this week.
Oh yeah, that should be interesting.
She did these.
I did her singles. Took a good hour and 45 minutes.
Look, I was
because
with
the
Isaac.
homegirl was
Okay.
crying.
I was not crying. I did not cry. So we can clarify that. Watch the dip.
I'm gonna fall down these before we leave. I already know it. You look like a floating head.
It's kind of, I don't know.
I told him I was gonna bury him.
I go from warm to cold. Did these videos like go on YouTube?
Not right now.
Not
Oh,
directly.
you just save them and put them on later.
You gotta edit them.
We don't want all that
And I
crap on
miss
there.
him calling us a hoe every time.
Hey, that's good stuff.
Oh my god. Oh, I have your sunglasses.
Did you stop? You didn't stop this.
What?
You didn't stop this.
See if we can get one. Okay, so we're just informed that these idiots brought their paddleboard into the pool.
Bear in mind,
Paddleboarding.
this is the cold pool.
Yeah, this is the cold pool.
I didn't know that's what it looked like, did you?
It's a weird looking paddleboard.
That's a weird one.
Yeah, okay, I didn't think it looked like. I've never been on one like that.
I guess it's practicing.
There's no waves in there. He's kind of suck if he does that. Hey, no diving. That form though.
I know.
That security guard was down there. He'd be getting on.
Yeah,
Cheer
anyway.
for him.
Cheer for who? Him? Cheering for him.
I can't. That smells We're like Lady in the Tramp. Oh wait. That was a big bite.
Austin, go get it.
He gave up on trying to pick up the paddle board. Come on.
No, he's probably gonna go get his friend. Or not. Austin, go steal it.
He looks like he's on a... Ooh, Austin, yeah, you should.
No, just go run down there and get it, and then when he comes back, you're gonna be in the pool on his paddleboard.
It looks very pretty out here. Sun is setting.
The waves have died down a lot.
Oh, yeah. The wind has.
Yeah.
For once in our
Excited
lives.
for tomorrow. Hi. Hello. We're napping. My phone zooms. Why doesn't yours zooms?
Because it's the back camera.
I hate this. Give it to me.
Oh, I thought you dropped it.
Yes.
You've dropped it many times.
I know. Hello.
Hi. It's a little later in the day.
Yes, it's kind of dark outside, and it rained really hard.
Really bad.
Yep, it smells disgusting.
Smells like the ocean.
Okay.
It's seawater.
We are walking to this little shack called, what's it called?
I have no idea.
I don't really know.
Somebody's name.
Tiki Bob's? We're going to Tiki Bob's.
I don't know what it is.
It's closed.
It's closed?
Bikini Bob's, not Tiki Bob's.
God, this light is on.
We're going to the trampoline park. RJ, how excited are you?
I can't
Oh my god.
This is very long.
We've been sitting here for about 10 minutes.
No, that's an exaggeration. Don't guess it.
I didn't! I went slow!
SB doesn't have her medicine, so she's been coughing like this. She sounds like me.
Santa Claus is behind me.
Santa? Oh my god. Please. It's SB.
No. Well, the Santa Claus was telling me to go, and I was scared.
Was he really?
Yeah.
Is this it? No. That's a grill. He was a skater boy. She said, see you later, boy.
He wasn't good.
Enough for her. Yay, skater boys. Woo! Just jump. How excited are we?
He's fine. All good. Hey, good job. Let's turn. Ooh, front handspring. Let's go.
Whoa. You can tell she was a gymnast. See that, Austin? I'm gonna do that. What she just did. Yeah, it's hard to flip around. See? I don't know.
You didn't go all the way around. I'm down. Isn't that fun?
Again. Hey.
We're tired.
Yeah.
And we
All
still
the
got
way
like
back.
45
And the videos.
minutes left. We look really good.
Yeah, we do.
My hair's falling down. It's fine.
Pure athleticism right here.
Justin, show us some of your skills.
I don't have any skills.
Oh, I'm
Hey,
sure
they're
you
probably
have
better than
some
mine.
skills. Oh, RJ.
Skills, go.
I don't have any skills.
Yes, you
Oh, come on.
do. Yeah, you do.
Front flip,
You were
go.
doing flip.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Uh,
Oh, yes, beautiful. Hey!
Backflip, Justin.
Just fling your legs back. Oh. Yes, you probably should. Oh my god. He looks like a crazy frog.
Oh, I'm gonna join.
okay. We've got 15 minutes until we're done. Thank the Lord. There's Austin jumping.
So cute. Hi.
He got scared. So yeah, Essie's been teaching us the beginner gymnastics stuff.
You can do it. Show them your routine.
Okay.
No, that's wrong. Don't do that. Put your hands here. No! Put your hands here or you will dislocate a shoulder. Never put them in front of you. Not like that. Oh, God. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, so close. She was very close. And then stand up and stick it. And
Sorry.
Austin,
Sorry.
you scare me.
I can't do it for laughing.
Yeah.
Okay. Essie's singing a song. We're back at the hotel.
Oh my God. I'm out of breath.
Oh god.
Austin,
What the heck?
tired.
Okay, so we just got back from the trampoline park. It's pretty bomb. We were there for an hour and a half. That's a really long time to jump.
Hi.
Especially when you can't do cool tricks like those two in the
I
back.
know.
You actually Brooklyn can too.
I can only do a handspring.
I can do a little sit down thing, that's it. Anyway, so now we're trying to decide what we're gonna do for dinner. We may go to a party. But all in time we will decide.
I think we're just gonna watch the movies tonight. Hey, you ready? Watch this.
I want to go somewhere like
Yeah.
that Mexican sounds good.
You scared the
Turn it that way. The other way. The other way.
RJ, open the door. I'm cold.
God, RJ.
RJ.
They did lock us
RJ,
up.
I'm cold. RJ.
Ringing the doorbell.
He's looking at me.
Where's Justin?
RJ. Yeah.
Opened it.
It's not gonna open.
Open the
Ready?
door.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Hello, vloggers.
Hello.
RJ Snapchatted you.
I know. I told him
So-
to look at what time the hot tub closes.
So we're watching the iHeartRadio Awards.
The music ones.
Oh yeah, those. The music awards. And we discovered that Espy and I are very cheesy people.
Cheesy people.
Because she has mac and cheese. Yum. I have Cheeto Puffs. And a grilled cheese. Yeah, this
Part
is,
two.
yeah, because I burnt the second one because our freaking
First one.
I burnt the first one, and now this is the second one. And Brooklyn and Austin went to some restaurant. They walked there. I don't know where they went. And then RJ and Justin are driving to Wendy's.
Lexi and I have been together for quite a amount of time now without leaving each other's side for more than 5 feet, I'd say.
No, you left.
Oh yeah, I left, but that was only for about an hour and a half.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
and she called me, she FaceTimed me about 3 times during that time.
I had to just talk to you.
And the amount of things that we have done in sync is a little ridiculous.
Yes.
Like the ESP is real.
Strong.
It's getting a little freaky. And the amount of times that we have seen something that other people haven't seen and then cracked up about it and they're like, what are they laughing at?
Yeah, earlier today, we were watching the Hunger Games and Katniss kept saying something over and over and over again. It was getting on all of our nerves. And so then Justin started laughing about that, and we were laughing about that too. But
Yeah,
then,
so we laughed about it like 30 seconds
Yeah.
before he did.
Yeah.
And so he thought we were still laughing about
yeah,
that.
but in reality, the sun was coming off of that window right out there and shining directly into SB's face. But only her face. No one else's, just SB's. So I started laughing about that, and she started laughing about that, and then Justin started
Justin's
laughing
laughing
about
about
that,
Katniss.
and he's like,
But then he realizes that that's not what we're laughing at.
my teeth is glowing.
So
Anyway, so
I look like I'm an angel.
I was like, okay, I got you, SB. So I got off my butt and closed the curtain
It was
for her.
apparently we're leaving Justin.
Oh, I need
Wait, I want to say hi.
Oh, a towel. I don't have that. I really hope it doesn't catch fire while we're going.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Hello, vlog.
Hi,
We're going
we-
night swimming.
We just did some
We
laundry.
did some laundry. It kind of smelled a little bad.
It was not good, but
But it's like a really old washing machine.
it's
like,
drying now, so
from the
hopefully
1900s.
it doesn't catch fire. We put it on low heat, so
yeah.
should be fine.
Yeah, maybe.
It's still freezing.
Yeah, maybe play some beach ball.
Very cold.
Yeah. Super cold, but hopefully no one's there, so.
But the wind has died down.
That's good.
We went to. RJ says it's still cold. It's very fair. People are here. Oh shoot. Anyway, it's fine.
It's not fun,
It's
actually.
fine. Okay, so people are in the pool and people are in the hot tub. And there's no room for us. So now
No
we're-
room at the end.
There's no room at the end. So now we're hiding from Justin behind the snack shack.
Yeah, we're gonna see if he walks into this like crowded room right now with all kinds of other people. So we're gonna see where he goes.
Let's go out in the ocean.
Guys, they think we're
In the ocean.
Can we go back to your mom's hot tub?
Yeah. Well,
I gotta
do you
get
think?
my orange bracelet.
Do you
We gotta
think-
drive? I can't
Do you
walk.
think the security
not
guard
walking.
will come find? Because what if it
Yes,
closes at
he
10?
does close at 10.
We just played some spike ball. Lexi and I were destroyed badly by RJ and Justin, but it's fine because we're going swimming now. I'm not as cold. Lexi's not gonna get in, so I think she's gonna film some. Right? RJ's. Oh, Justin. I don't really know.
I got the last one. Austin. RJ. Hey! Don't get me wet. Justin. Random people. For SB Brooklyn. Hello.
Hello.
Whoa.
We are currently on the beach.
We're looking for crabs.
We're crab hunting.
They're little tiny things that start running.
Oh. Okay. You can't see what I'm seeing, but it's very pretty. The stars look insane.
Oh my god.
There's a boat out there. I just saw lights. Look at all the lights. They keep blinking.
I can't see because
Look.
Oh! Your lights in my eyes. It's a really nice flashlight actually.
Keep me going psycho. You're about to play speed, and Lex is about to lose.
Negative. There's the ocean. Can't, it's just a dark hue.